And first place goes to Gary Thompson. Moving on to our national classes and the plaques. If you do need a plaque to go with these, let us know. Basic 1, third place.
We'll get it up there. It always does. Pretty good demo track. I just hadn't tried that one. That's something. Guys, I managed to get a 153.3 on the meter a minute ago on the glass. You know, competition. I'm very pleased. That was at 44 hertz. You got anything you want to say to the internet?
Y'all should be down here having fun with everybody else.
Where would they need to go to have all this fun?
Here.
The Carmil Car Audio?
You see that right there.
Yeah, it's on your shirt.
Right there.
Should I go scan the thing over here?
Scan the thingy over there.
What are you guys doing over here? Standing and eating. And oh man, I need to get some of that. That's what he's in there. Has he got them things on the grill or something? Y'all, what you got to do is scan this right here. You just scan this code, and then You'll get updates on everything as it's coming out.
Yes, sir.
And these kind of folks up here are giving out free swag today. All day long, free swag. But you ain't here, you ain't gonna get it. That's how that works. But what's the name of your company that you make your t-shirts and all that?
Honey.
What's the name of your company?
Ball Custom Design and Decals.
Paul?
Ball. B-A-L-L.
Ball?
Mm-hmm.
Ball Custom Designs and Decals.
Yes, sir.
All right, so guys, look that up on the internet. These are some of the nicest people you'll ever meet. And look up Ball Custom Designs and Decals. Hit these guys up to do your stuff. They make really cool stuff. They got keychains out here. They got the hats. And I mean, these ain't cheap hats. These are nice hats. Look at these. These are nice hats. Got really nice stuff. Got kids, got wonderful people. So you don't want to miss out on this. Ball Custom Designs and Decals. This is one of my tracks. My music.
Power flowing through those jumping subs, pumping hard. Amplifiers amplifying, tear this thing apart.
All right, guys, y'all want to see efficiency? Let me show you some efficiency. They got a single something back there. I ain't sure what it's called, but there's one of them.
Don't hurt me, Tim.
They got some hillbillies on the roof. GP, baby. Hell yeah. Team Savage Sounds holding the roof down. Y'all pay close attention because you're going to learn something today. First, you need that big old giant box back there, which somebody has put a lot of work into. It is a thing of beauty.
Tim Stallings. Basic 2 class. Competitors stand by.
He's off. You're gonna win the race, man. Keep going. Oh no, no wheelies. You're gonna wind up on your head.
We had Matt Reynolds and Ace Cow Clamper
Ready,
on.
set, go. Seconds.
52.2. I know y'all can't see it, but he got a 52.2.
Competitors stand by. Ready, set, go. Seconds.
52.3 at 1942 watts, 49 hertz.
2, 1, time.
Just a little bit.
Got a little something going on back here.
Yeah, just a little small thing. I got the 2 AGM batteries right here. I only have one hooked up though.
What kind of amp is that?
Rockville DB16.
Oh, Rockville?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Hold on, let me.
Yep, about to get run over.
Let's go down to the announcements for the start of the game. And now, please rise for the singing of our national.
Run the batteries down too far.
I'm sitting at 14.3.
Yeah, dual alternator.
Just one on the serial. Find something good.
Service airbag.
Service
airbag. Switch in the seats.
Oh, yeah.
So well, your car says service airbag.
Oh, it's,
Normally it's
no, I got them all disconnected.
Oh.
It doesn't see airbags. So it says like there ain't no airbags on these service. Oh, she's going backwards. Cool.
This is DJ Smoking Rose. Okay,
I'm the gay boy. We don't.
Let me ask you for the video, what'd you think?
That was amazing. I love that. Especially once you got, like, my neck is so relaxed now, I'm not even gonna lie.
So what was your favorite part about the bass?
The fact that it relaxes my muscles, honestly.
Yep, it tickles your back too.
Yeah,
it makes your back kind of itch.
Yeah.
Yeah. It hits everybody a little bit different.
Yeah,
It's not the same for everybody.
It mainly relaxed me more in my neck.
Yep.
And then it did tickle my back quite a bit.
It kind of makes your back itch.
Yeah.
And some people it gets in their ear and tickles their ear. Some people it tickles their nose. It's funny how that works. But,
Right.
But yeah,
Well,
glad you can enjoy it.
Thank you.
No problem. What did you think? Come here.
Nope.
Use your words.
Nope.
What's your take on it? What's your favorite thing about bass demos?
Hair tricks.
Hair tricks?
Yeah.
We got a pretty good hair trick out of you.
It was.
Yeah, you were not thinking it was going to do much because your hair is kind of heavy.
I don't want to tell you what I really think on camera.
Oh, okay.
I've been in Shannon's.
Oh, well, I know. Hey, darling. Hey. You know what I can do that Shannon can't do? I can demo all day nonstop.
That's true. Yeah.
Now I want you to think about what I just said, what you said, and then what I said, and how to put all of that in the worst possible context you can. And then everything is good. We're running against this Cadillac. Get it done. Yeah, we do. I metered up.
You got James Henson in lane number 1. James, are you ready? I'm sorry. Are you good? You ready? He is ready. Gary, are you ready? All right, here you go.
All right, here we are.
Ready, set,
In case y'all was wondering, I was actually holding back. I was going to let him get up here close so we could have a close score. But he didn't make it, so it is what it is. Well, the whole flock is in here today. The unicorn power is set to maximum horniness. Wait a minute, was that out loud? I think it probably was. Got Charlie Brown in here hooking up wires.
Get it current clamped or something?
Yeah. He's doing stuff.
It's not hooked around your foot anymore.
Big Nasty. That's the Big Nasty. Y'all want a peek? See if I can sneak around here and get a peek. Probably gonna get yelled at. I might get shot. There you go. 4 18s and a ported flat wall with a big ginormous port. Pure D insanity right
Midwest
here.
SPL final elimination.
Double the points.
And gals.
Twin turbo.
Lane 1, Charles Estes, are you ready? Lane 2, Richard. Richard is ready.
Richard is ready.
Ready, set, go.
We got a 159.9 and a 165.7.
Yeah. Some late nights have paid off. You did that with 132 watts. Congratulations.
fishing, okay? I can put an 8-hour day into 3.5 seconds. That's all I'm saying.
That's what she said.
He's referring to the fact that his clamp
That's
probably
not what
came
you're
off.
saying. That's what she's saying.
Good times, man.
That 3.5 seconds.
Charles, that's a good score.
Thank you. Hey, 2 inches.
Winner.
165.7.
165.7 dB.
That's 65 hertz.
Need more horsepower.
Richard got a 159.9, 36 hertz. He usually does a 160 plus, but today's one of them days. My best score today was a 153.3. Don't want to get run over by Richard. He's a crazy man.
Quesadilla? Yes.
Quesadilliac.
Such a good movie.
Quesadilliac.
First place, Midwest Street 2 Division, Tyler Walker.
Tyler! Get her done.
Second place, Midwest Street 3 Division goes to Jesse Yarbrough.
Jesse Yarbrough.
First place, Tyler Wilson.
Tyler Wilson. Get her done, Tyler.
A bunch of Tylers and Taylors.
I know. And quesadillas.
Second place, Midwest Street 4 Division goes to James Hinson. And first place goes to Gary Thompson. Moving on to our national classes and the plaques. If you do need a plaque to go with these, let us know. Basic 1, third place, Lane Taylor. Double check to make sure you're getting the right plate. Second place, Isaac Scritchfield. Basic 1, second. First place, Basic 1, Jordan Estes. I think Jordan's left.
Jordan says, screw you guys, I'm going home.
Basic 2, third place, Nate Scow. Where is he?
I don't know.
Oh. Second place, Tyler
Way
Wilson.
over there. Tyler!
Do you have a plaque to go with that? Okay. First place, Basic 2, Tim Stallings.
Tim, where's he at?
Basic 2 first.
Oh, he's back here hiding too. There he comes. Back here slacking. He's smoking pot behind the building or something. Teenagers, man.
Basic 3, first place, not here, Doug Roberts. Basic 4, first place,
I know you ain't
Travis
dead.
Taylor. Basic 4, first.
Get him, Travis!
Moving on to basic trunk, second place, Clara. Is it Eden? Eden.
Get that trunk girl.
First place,
Yeah!
basic trunk, Bill White.
There he is. You know, you can't win.
Advanced 1, third place.
You're either going to beat a
He's
girl or
already
get
left.
beat by a girl.
Advanced 1, third place, not
Screw
here.
either way.
Team maybe bagging. Moving on to advanced 1, second place. Tyler Walker.
Tyler, going back again.
Tyler, you got a plaque?
There's the speaker poker
First
falling in the
place,
round.
Cody Patrick in the advanced 1.
Where's Cody at?
Do you know if Cody's got a plaque? Oh my.
Cody's
I
fired.
feel so bad for. Yeah, I really don't. Just a cat.
Chicken.
Second place, advanced 2. Advanced 2, second. Tommy Garrett.
Hey, go get him, Tommy.
And first place, advanced 2, Charles Estes.
There he is.
Advanced no wall. I'm slowing down. Second place. Can we call him Mr. Green Jeans? Travis Taylor.
That's him. Get him, Travis.
I'd say 3/4 of you out there doesn't know who Mr. Green Jeans is.
I do.
You don't, Charles?
Captain Kangaroo's sidekick.
I'm not that damn old.
Yes, I am.
Are you older than me? You're not older than me. You're 53? Yeah, you are older than me.
Had to show him, man. Couldn't let that shit fly, you know. Let them know.
I'm 54.
I'm OG.
I know I look 29.
Yeah, we're the same age.
What the motorcycle said. First place, advanced no wall, Amanda Estes.
Yeah. Work that
Advanced
booty.
trunk. Second place.
Charles, you ain't right, man.
You got 3 tuning and still on.
Mallory Lyons.
Yeah.
And first place in the advanced trunk division goes to Matthew.
Yeah, Matt.
Hindi Duty. Did I get that? Abahudi?
Good job, Matt.
I think
Are you talking about Matt's booty?
Extreme 2, second place, Douglas Johnson. Your name's
There he is. Get him, Doug.
First place, Travis Taylor.
Oh no, here comes Mr. Green Jeans back again.
First place in the Extreme 3 division goes to Tyler Walker.
Tyler just keeps going.
Extreme
And
3
another
division.
one. And another one.
Chaos 2 first. Travis Taylor.
There he goes. Back again.
Not here, Chaos 3. Team Maybe Baggin. He's already left.
Maybe back in.
And Mayhem Max. Second place.
Absentee ballot. Uh-oh. He's preparing to talk shit.
Richard Halderman.
I knew it was coming in. Come on. That all you got? I was waiting on that wit to come out.
And what may have been the loudest score I've seen all year. First place, Mayhem Max, Charles Estes.
Yeah. Get her done.
165.7. And I would assume it's got more in it.
That was pure unicorn power.
All right, folks, this concludes today's event here at Carmil Car Audio. This was a 2x event, so if you're chasing points, you get twice as many.
Big money.
We do appreciate everybody for coming out. We do appreciate Carmil for hosting these events for us on these Sundays. Get to come out and hang out with everybody and visit and all that stuff. Next time you're going to make a car audio purchase, be sure to check out Carmil Car Audio. They got a great selection inside, great service, great people. So be sure to think about them next time you need something or talking to somebody who's pulling to come over this way. Once again, that does conclude today's event. Appreciate everyone for coming out. And I don't know when I'll be back. Maybe next year?
Next time.
Next time. All right. Moral
Best part is the people.
Absolutely.
That's where it's at, guys.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about. Y'all better recognize. Yeah, in case you guys are wondering, this is from all this season actually. So, no, I think a couple of those are from last season. But yeah, I got Midwest SPL. I don't think there's a Base Wars in here because when I wanted to compete in Base Wars, they give me flack. So, oh, that one's one of the ones I like. Top Gun. That's a cool trophy. That was from the GP show. What's this one? It's got a name on there. Whatever that says. I don't remember all of them. Top Gun was cool though. That was tough. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Big shout out to Slapz Audio, Trumped Under Lithium, all my subscribers out there, and all the people that showed up for a demo today in the bass machine. You guys were awesome. And I look forward to seeing y'all next time. Y'all be sure to slap that subscribe button, like, comment, please comment. I love my commenters. You guys are what drive my channel. I'm able to answer your questions and you give me ideas for new videos. Thanks, guys.